In the xy plane above, O is the center of the circle, and the measure of angle AOB is pi over A radians. What is the value of A? So this is the diagram that we're referencing, and we are given that angle AOB, this one right here, is pi over A radians. Now, we are also given a point right here. From this point, we can decipher that this is the x value, of course, and this is the y value. And to be able to answer this question, it really would help if you've had a little bit of trig, because you would maybe have seen something called the unit circle, but if not, that's okay. I just want to show you that you can create a little triangle here, like so. And we know, based on that triangle, that because the x value is √3, the distance from here to here is √3, and the distance from A to B is 1, because that's the y value. X is from here to here, and y is from here to here. So in fact, why don't we take this triangle and draw it out a little bit better right over here, draw it bigger. So we'll have O, B, and A. This is 90 degrees. We now know this is √3, this is 1. For the astute, you might have already noticed this looks familiar to us. Why does it look familiar? Because if you remember the special right triangle, the 30, 60, 90, it has these ratios given. The angle here has 1. Usually most books write this as a variable, and the long leg, OB, has the length of √3. And usually they write this as x √3. This is written as x. This is written as x times 2, or rather 2x. So if you looked at your SAT paper, you're given this triangle, this and the 45, 45, 90. So, and we know that the angle that is closer to the √3 is the 30-degree angle. This other angle is 60 degrees. So we are aware that pi over A, this radian, really is 30 degrees. So all we need to do is to take this 30 degrees and convert them to radians, and we'll have the value of A. How do you change degrees to radians? Pretty straightforward. 30 degrees, you always multiply the degree by pi over 180 degrees. And this works because the degrees cancel out, and 30 goes into 30 once, 30 goes into 180 6 times. So we can then see that this is pi over 6. Remember how we were looking for the value of A? Pi over A. So that means A is 6. That is the answer to this question.